Workflow at a standstill because of the Interop Shell32 Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix Microsoft Office conflict for good. While preparing the manual steps for Interop Shell32 Library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Interop Shell32 Library, a specialized interop library that allows .NET applications, C to communicate with the legacy Windows shell engine, Shell32.dll. It is a mandatory requirement for older automated bookkeeping and ERP tools to open file dialogs. If missing, the app will crash, citing a COM component failure. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Interop Shell32 Library DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Interop Shell32 library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of Interop Shell32 Library DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning Interop Shell32 library-related issues. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Interop Shell32 library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.